I just can't with this cat right now.
All up in the chair right behind me. Look.
Maya, where are you? Oh. Hi there. What are you doing?
Will she play with her toy?
Let a nigga try me. I'ma get his whole motherfucking family.
Let's go to bed. Come on, let's go to bed. Yo, girl.
You're a slut!
Get the fuck away from me, you furry little shit. I'm kidding, I love you.
I came in like a wrecking ball.
Hello? Is it me you're looking for?
I can't go to sleep. Get the fuck.
Out of the entirety of the whole bed, he chose the laptop. The laptop.
Cleo.